the Son of Charlie show. We are here to explain what the city's making us do, which turns out to be a benefit to the buyer. Actually, you get an additional parking space. It's part of making the apparently illegally converted garage, when I bought it, legal, which will be passed on to the buyer, so it's not an issue the buyer ever has to worry about again. To that end, we have to add a number one by 9 by 18 parking space behind the 20-foot setback in this front yard. 20 feet is about right here. We're going to go back 9 feet into this soil, which seems like a lot of work. It is a lot of work, but it's going to benefit the buyer. We're going to start right here. Sandra, why don't you move over? We're going to take this wall apart. We're going to preserve both side walls. We are going to preserve 3 feet of stairs on the right-hand side of that stairwell. We're going to come over here and start an S-curve around this tree. We're going to make every attempt to prune and preserve this tree. If we can't do it, then we have to replace it with a 2.5-inch specimen Bleriana plum, which I'm willing to provide. Let me step up here, show you the scope of work. We'll excavate back to this line approximately. We will re-landscape around the perimeter so that it looks as good or better than it does now. And again, tree's an issue that's the most sensitive here. We'll build a wall to match the others using the same material back to this point. The wall will return and come back to probably a planter here that forms a narrower 3-step walkway, which is still plenty big. It's over 4 feet. This is actually excessive the way it is now. So you get a more normal 3-4-foot walkway, small planter, landscape material, and an additional legal parking space back to here, so that when you park, you can park here and still have guests behind you.